Tonight, state and local health officials are trying to track down people who may have been exposed to a case of measles in Dane County.
Measles can be very contagious, especially to people who are not vaccinated. New at 10, Jarrell Ballard spoke with health officials about the symptoms to watch out for and how you can protect yourself.
Brendan and Amber, the Wisconsin Department of Health Services, couldn't provide too many details about the person who was affected with measles, but we are learning more information about the steps they're taking to make sure everyone stays as safe as possible. Health officials say the person who tested positive for measles is an adult who is believed to have come in contact with the virus while traveling domestically. Symptoms could be a fever, cough, runny nose, and watery eyes, followed by a rash that usually spreads from the head to the rest of the body.
There's been more cases compared to recent, and there's been 125 cases nationally in 18 jurisdictions already this year, and that is really quite a change from the previous year, and we have been seeing increases.
Cases of measles in Wisconsin have been rare, according to the Wisconsin Department of Health Services. The most recent case was last fall, coming out of the Milwaukee area. Now, the health department didn't want to share whether or not the person who was affected was already vaccinated, but they did share that having 2 doses of the measles vaccine makes it 97% more effective at preventing the disease. Reporting in Madison, Jarrell Ballard, 27 News.
State health officials say there's no way for them to find a full list of the people who have been exposed, but they have identified several locations and times where people may have been exposed.
There are spots in Dane and Rock counties. That includes the Quick Trip on Madison Avenue in Milton on April 21st between 2:30 and 5 p.m. The SSM Health site on East Racine Street in Janesville on the 22nd from 1 to 5, and St. Mary's Hospital in Janesville on the 23rd between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m.
And in Dane County, people may have been exposed at Break iFix on East Washington Avenue in Madison on the 22nd from 5 to 7:30, and at the Noodles and Company in Cottage Grove also on the 22nd from 5:15 to 7:45 p.m. Now, we realize that is a lot of information to process, so we posted all of these locations and times on our web channel, WKOW.com.